Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mackenzie and today I'm going to show you how I took this black base wig and turned it into this Hermione Granger wig that I used for my Harry Potter cosplay. So first I'm going to show you guys how I bleach, tone, and dye the hair before it's ready for styling, which took me about like 3 to 4 days to get through the whole process because I didn't want to destroy my wig, and I bleached it twice. I toned it 2 or 3 times and then dyed it as well. So I'll take you guys through that process first and then we'll get to the styling of the actual wig.
Expecto, Patronum.
To bleach the hair, I combined 2 parts of the white powder bleach with 1 part of the 30 developer. And I'm just applying that mixture to the hair, wrapping it up in tin foil, and then I let it process on the whole wig for 30 minutes. Here's the progress after 2 bleaches. To tone the wig, you use the opposite process from the bleach, so you use 2 parts developer and 1 part toner. After applying the toner, I let it sit for about 30 minutes to process and then washed it out. I ended up toning the wig twice to pull out more of the brassy hues, so here's where we're at after that. After 2 rounds of bleaching and toning, the wig was still pulling golden red hues, so I decided to go ahead and mix a light brown and dark blonde hair dye and dye the hair. After washing out the dye and some extreme deep conditioning, here's the final color. So after all of that work, this is what we are left with. It kind of is like the same color as my hair. There, you can kind of see that there's like lowlights and highlights in here. I think that's just a result of the way I applied the bleach in kind of a chaotic way. But it actually worked out. So now we're gonna go ahead and style it. So I'm gonna wig cap up. I would like to get this is the look for sure. And then just another one for good luck. Oh. So this is what I would look like balls. What the heck? Where's the where? Very disoriented. At least this wig, at least it has the energy of Hermione's hair. I'm gonna be using Got to Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray since it needs to stay very curly. So that's pretty much it for the wig. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to come back and like and subscribe for more cosplay content.